I needed my hot sauce so I can wake up.
There's not gonna be any hot sauce, but we're gonna cook spicy honey garlic lemon chicken wings today. We're gonna make it, Buffalo Wild Wings style. I mean, it's not gonna be a dipping sauce. You know what we're making today?
I don't know, but it better be good. It better be tasty because I'm hungry all the time. Fridays, I'm always hungry.
Well, we're gonna be making a spicy honey garlic lemon wings. We got some habanero peppers here. We got 4 of these. Some lemon juice, some honey, garlic, soy sauce.
It's all your show, man. You know, I'm helping you out. So
Were you cooking the wings?
you do the call. Yeah, I'll toward the road.
Okay, so we're gonna start. He's gonna start cooking chicken wings, and I'm gonna start preparing the sauce. So we're gonna fry that with the soy sauce and some oil. How are the chicken wings coming up?
All right, guys. Chicken's going in the grill.
Oh, no.
How?
Subscribe.
Like.
Yay!
And subscribe.
Subscribe!
Good job, baby. Give me a high five. Give me some dap. Yeah, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Mwah.
Guys, what's happening in there?
Yo.
You're cooking wings. What's going on?
Yeah, we flip it around right now, so
yeah?
both sides is nice and even.
Not ready yet?
Not ready yet?
Yeah, let's go chill.
It's still raw. We need to cook, guys.
Drink, eat something.
Yeah.
Baby in the tummy?
Baby in the tummy.
You said Victor got a baby now?
You tell Victor that he's fat and he needs to start exercising, yeah? Yeah? Because he looks like he has a baby in the tummy. Okay.
Making sure every side is good, man. You know, nice and golden on each side.
Okay. I'm gonna start cooking the sauce.
Wow, that's powerful. Fire in the hole. That definitely
I'm
went.
gonna add some
That
lemon juice. It's the habaneros, dude.
That went in the nose real quick. Lemon. There you go. Balance out that.
Yep. Some lemon juice.
You don't want to be downwind on that, man. Gasolina. We're not sick, guys. We don't have COVID. This is not COVID. This is habanero.
Oh, some honey.
Honey time. See that? That's valuable. That's gold. Liquid gold, guys.
Bring the wings over here.
Yeah.
Okay, boys and girls, look at this.
That's right, guys. We're not messing around. This is some real chicken, real flavor. 1 year's worth of knowledge right here.
Spicy honey garlic lemon chicken wings.
That's right.
We got habanero peppers in here, some garlic, some soy sauce, some honey. I didn't even put salt and pepper in there, you know. I think all the flavors are there. We're gonna test it out right now. Are you ready? No hot sauce bottle this time on the table.
Yeah, no hot sauce. Okay.
Is it ready? Is it spicy?
We got a lot of flavor in there.
This is better than any wings you get at the Buffalo Wild Wings.
Daddy, I want.
This is a lot of flavor. So good. This looks sweet and spicy. A lot of garlic flavor. Habanero stands out.
The caramelization is really good, man. I love it. Like how we took it off the grill and it's all nice and crunchy. And then the honey made all the flavor, the garlic and the habanero stick onto the chicken nicely.
I like this. This is good flavor. Kind of missing the hot sauce bottle. You know, we always like to pour something, but this got all the flavors in it.
Yeah. I'm glad you put some soy sauce in there because I thought honey might be too sweet.
Right?
You got sweet, sour, salty, and the soy sauce gives you that umami flavor.
Man, you feel that habanero kicking in though. Like,
Definitely, I think that definitely took our chicken to another level.
yeah, exactly. This is our special recipe, okay? Very simple. You guys can do this at home in no time. Like it took me like what, 4 minutes to cook this sauce, right? All you have to do, cook the wings, make that, toss it around, boom.
Dynamic in flavor, man. Has everything in there, crunchy, not soggy. I love garlic. Garlic is good on anything.
Wow, man.
Delicious.
Oh, it's kicking in.
I think mission accomplished.
Yes.
Flavor was perfect, I have to say. Perfecto.
I need water. Make the effect. It's
So good, yeah.
A hint of sour, caramelization, crunchy,
I agree with Roman. It's
savory.
a restaurant dish, yeah. That you can make at home.
Very savory, man.
I love it too.
Better than anything at the Buffalo Wild Wings.
I was gonna say that. 2.
2, 3. Like and subscribe.
Good job.
There you go.
See ya.
See ya.